Hi there, my name is Atika. I'm one of the customer success and training specialists here at Open Learning. This video is to help you to add your course basic information. To add your course's basic information, on your course, click on the Course Design and Course Builder settings. Then, click on the Objectives tab. Next, click on the Setup Basic Course Info button. Add or edit the information based on your course's need. Update the audience, duration, language, and the tone that you will be using throughout the course. Once you're happy, click Continue. Please pause now to update your course's basic information. Welcome back. Great work on updating your course basic information. Now, let's update your course objectives. If you already have your own course objective, you can immediately write the objective in this space. Once you're done, click on the Save Objective button to save it. Alternatively, you can also generate your course objective by using Open Learning's AI Assistant. Click on the Suggest a Course Objective button and add any information that you want the AI to cover. Once you're ready, click Generate Course Objective. The AI assistant will generate a course objective for you. Once done, you can check and click Keep to add it as your course objective. Please pause now to update your course objective. Welcome back. Great work on updating your course objectives. Now, let's add your course learning outcomes. On the same settings page, click on the Outcomes tab. To add your own course learning outcomes, click Add Learning Outcome button. Add your learning outcomes description and create a tag to go with it. Click Save. To add more, click on the Add Learning Outcome. Click on the pencil to edit and click on the bin to delete. You can also use the AI assistant to generate your course learning outcomes. Click on the Suggest Learning Outcomes button and choose which outcome types that you would like the AI assistant to generate. Add in relevant information and click Generate Learning Outcomes. The AI assistant will generate the course learning outcomes for you. Once done, you can check and click Keep to add it as your course learning outcome. Please pause now to update your course learning outcomes. Great work on adding your course basic information, objectives, and learning outcomes. If you require any support, please reach out to the customer success team via chat, phone, or email. You can also find the help documentation on each of these settings via help.openlearning.com community page. Thank you.